So guys, we need a sheet of paper and now we will fold it half. By the way, the paper is of rectangle shape, and after you fold it half, again open it and then fold it as shown in this video. And now you need to apply some glue, and the second fold will be a bit farther from the first one. I mean to say that it should be a bit ahead so you can easily stick it. Now apply some glue in the form of drops, or else the glue will actually come out of the paper like butterscotch ice cream. How come butterscotch ice cream is like that? By the way, when nothing comes to your mind, I say anything, so just ignore it. And now it is ready. By the way, this is not an envelope, it looks like, but it isn't. So now we will fold it from both the sides, from its upper portion and lower portion as well. This exactly looks like an envelope to me, but believe me, it's not. And now we'll actually apply some glue at one portion of it. You just need to apply some glue till the line and not below it, or else you'll end up sticking the whole envelope gradually. So make it a point. Once you do it, stick it well. And now keep the other side open, or else your loved ones will say that you are giving me just an open piece of paper. I mean, just a blank piece of paper. You have written happy chocolate day, but you haven't put anything inside it. So you just need to cut some triangles. And now take a hard sheet of paper. Actually, I didn't know how to do perfect transition, so I told to myself that beta tumse na ho paega. And now with the sheet of paper with such measurements where every line is of 4 centimeter, you need to make 5 boxes in total, as you can see in this video. Once you do it, cut it and fold it as shown in this video. Once the paper has done all the kind of gymnastics, once it is done, you are actually supposed to fold it first, and then first you will fold the upper part half and then the lower part half, which will actually look something like this afterwards. And now apply some glue on both the layers, I mean both the parts, and we'll stick the broken heart. Actually, it's not broken heart, it will actually joint. So once you are done with it, it will look something like this, which looks really cute. You can actually write something on the heart if you want, and it will look something like this. And now take a marker pen or a sketch pen, any black colored pen. It will actually look beautiful, but if you want to use some other color, of course you are welcome to use it. So we'll write I and U on the two opposite sides of the heart, the broken heart. So now we will actually make 3 hearts. You can use a marker pen or a sketch pen. By the way, I haven't used a sketch pen which I was showing. You know why? Because it was actually dried. I had just kept it to show you guys that you can use it, but it was actually dry. So I am using a marker pen over here, and you will now color it. Once it is done, just outline it with black marker pen or sketch pen, or any black dark thing which actually highlights and pops up the heart. Once you are done with it, it will look something like this, and when your loved ones will open it, they'll say I love you. Okay, so now just apply some glue at its back portion and stick it to the envelope looking, but not an envelope, which is we are making chocolate keeper kind of a thing. Okay, So once you stick it, open it, and like that looks really cute. So just do it like that, stick it, and we'll write happy chocolate day. Actually, you know what? This is I'm specially making for chocolate day, so I'm writing it happy chocolate day. You can also write happy birthday or happy anniversary or anything you like. You know, it depends on the occasion. Once you write it, just fill the letters with that red color, so it looks that you are giving something to someone in the Valentine's week. Now we'll put a chocolate inside. You can like add multiple chocolates, it's your choice, but just take care that it does not bursts out. And now do the same with the other side. After putting the chocolate, don't forget to put the chocolates or else your loved ones will get angry. Now it's ready. Thank you.